tired of not having sharp pliers, we've got the ECCP110s. They've got the cross-cut action to them, and what's nice about them, they're having the soft handles that are 1000 volt rated, and they're 10,000 volt tested. With having these pliers, they're similar handle to that blue brand that everyone talks about, but at a reasonable price. So Majortech's got you covered on pricing as well as the quality there. Talking about the sharpness, we've got some paper here, having it here, cutting through like butter. All this paper here. Wish I had some butter, but instead I've got some cable. Let's cut some cable and see how sharp they are. As easy as that. Get your ECCP Fusion pliers today.